Comparison of affiliate marketing with other businesses.
Affiliate marketing is a type of internet advertising in which affiliates drive the traffic to the advertiser's website for sales. In turn, the affiliates receive a share from the advertisers. Affiliates place the ads of advertisers on their websites. There are various advantages as well as risks associated with this online business. Let us compare this online business with an office job or other business. This may help someone who is considering this business. 1. Low-cost business. Most people are afraid to start a home-based business because of the capital that is normally needed. With affiliate marketing, you need not worry about the money because it does not require much investment. It truly is a low-cost business. It is even possible to start this business without any investment. 2. Inventories not required. In all other businesses, product management is the most stressful aspect in running your business. In many cases, it is necessary to hire additional people to handle your inventory. But in the case of affiliate marketing, you are not required to maintain any inventory. All of this is done solely by the merchants. This is yet another advantage of affiliate marketing. 3. Unlimited income. If you are a successful affiliate marketer, then you can earn unlimited income. If your website has got a high page ranking, then it is assured that you will get more and more sales with the passage of time. After your business is up and running well, you usually don't need any more investment. Not like other businesses where your income is always limited and you are always required more investments to expand your business. 4. Worldwide business. With affiliate marketing, your market is not limited to your city or even your country. In this field, you have a global market. You just need to set up your website and drive traffic to it from all over the world. 5. Risk. As you know, to start marketing as an affiliate you are not required to make a big investment. This makes it a virtual risk-free business. This is the reason why more and more people are engaging in this field day by day. The only risk involved in this business is your time if you are not doing it properly. If you are not equipped with proper knowledge to do this business, then you may end up with nothing in hand after waiting for months. 6. 24-hour sales. As I have said, if you choose to earn your income as an affiliate marketer, the entire world becomes your potential customers. Your business in affiliate marketing continues 24 hours a day. This means that yes, you are earning even when you are sleeping. You will only enjoy all of the above benefits of affiliate marketing if you have selected the right products, the right merchants, and the right market. Affiliate marketing has many benefits over other businesses. The main benefits are less investment requirement, 24 hours sale and unlimited sales. But not all the people can be successful in this business as it requires the patience, focus and proper knowledge of market trends. So the risks associated with this business are for those who are not well equipped with proper knowledge and training.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.